Hello viewers, welcome to Bondhon YouTube channel. I'm Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make motor guard starter for single phase wiring circuit diagram. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. DP MCB circuit breaker, RCCB circuit breaker, motor protector, motor, neutral connection to DP MCB, phase connection to DP MCB, output connection from DP MCB to connect RCCB, output connection from RCCB to connect motor protector, output connection from motor protector to connect motor protector another point, output phase connection from motor protector to connect motor, output neutral connection from motor protector to connect motor, earthing connection input to motor. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.